Hello everyone, it's Crystal. I hope everyone is doing well today. Just got my paper pumpkins in the mail. I'm excited because March is the anniversary of Paper Pumpkin, so there's always extra goodies in the Paper Pumpkin kit. So as you know, I always buy two, and I always bless someone with the second box. So I'm not sure who I'm going to give this to yet. I don't know what's in it. So once I know what's in it, I'll know who I should share the wealth with. I hope everyone is having a good day, good Tuesday. Make your list for Stampin' Up! Tomorrow, March 17th, there will be free shipping on all orders over $50. I was planning to place an order at the beginning of April, but I'm going to do that tomorrow now that I'm going to get free shipping. So here's our box. So our adventure continues. Make even more mountain magic with this month's kit and coordinating stencil set. And here are some ideas. Here's one of the freebies. This is a sponge you can use for when you're stenciling. You can cut it up into fourths, this way and that way, like a little pizza. Nice and soft. Our color for this month is Calypso Coral. I always give these away because I have the big size for the ink pad. And then we have our stamps here. Let's see here. All the best for a happy, healthy, and prosperous year. Here's to you. We have some trees here. Congratulations. Happy birthday. Got some flowers and looks like some wheat. We got some birds flying, which is good. When I was a little kid, I used to make V's for my birds when I drew my picture, so this is cool. And I wasn't too far off. That looks like a little V. And may your journey through life take you to many new and exciting places. So those are our stamps. Then we have our stencils. These are the goodies because it's March. Let's see the first stencil. We have some clouds here. And we could use our sponge to color in, use our stencil. Our second stencil, these are pretty thick too. We have, looks like a mountain, and on this side, looks like a mountain range. Our third stencil, sunburst, sun in the center. We could use bumblebee, crushed curry, mango melody on our sponge, or if we have the blending brushes, and then just do a nice little array of sunshine. And we have some stars here. These are really thick, so that's good. You can use just put some washi tape on the edges here, and then you can just dip your sponge into your ink and then just color in with your stencils. So let's look at our kit. Tissue paper. So we have enough supplies to make 8 cards. Grab my scissors, my snips. And for this free shipping, that's on March 17th. You don't need a code. You just need to have $50 worth of items in your cart, and then the free shipping will kick in automatically. And if you use my host code, you will be entered into my prize drawing that I do every month. So we have some twine here, and we have some baby dimensionals. mini dimensionals. So these are our instructions. Here are 4 steps if you want to do the cards that are on display here. And on the back, these are some additional designs, some ideas for you. And our coordinating colors: Bumblebee, Calypso Coral. Calypso Coral is our Stampin' spot. Old Olive, Petal Pink, Pretty Peacock, and Seaside Spray. And Pretty Peacock and Seaside Spray are 2019 to 2021 in color, so they will be expiring soon. So if you want some of those colors, I suggest you get them before May 3rd. So here, these are the linings. Oh, these are nice. Linings for our envelopes. So we have our envelopes are the brown craft envelopes. We have 8 of those. And then we have different linings to put inside. So we have this design, looks like books or bricks. We have 4 of those. And then we have the flowers, and we have 4 of those. We have our card bases. This looks like Blushing Bride. Then we have our mountains and our sun rays, our trees. The inside of our card bases are white. And then we have another card base. This looks like Pretty Peacock. And this is just plain, so you can design this however you want. 4 of those. And we have some cutouts, some trees. And there are 2 on a sheet, and we have 2 sheets of those. That's 4. Mini glue dots, and then we have our cardboard, which I keep for shipping. Some panels. This can go well with the Pretty Peacock that can go like that. You have an instant card, and this flower, these flowers match this lining, so you can put those together. And so our panel, we have 4 of those. So we have our cutouts here where we can stamp on. We have 12 of the small rectangles and 4 of the large rectangles. These are just the white ones, but then we have some that are colored, and there are 12 of those in different colors. But there's the ones with the clouds to decorate your cards, and then we have the Old Olive ones that are solid. You can stamp on that if you have black ink. And then the twine I saw matches our envelopes. Looks like Sahara sand for the twine. So that is our paper pumpkin kit for March 2021. We have enough supplies to make 8 cards. We have 4 free stencils, and we have a sponge because it's Paper Pumpkin's anniversary. So I hope that you make some nice projects, some nice cards with your Paper Pumpkin kit. And remember, March 17th, free shipping for your orders that are $50 or more. If you use this host code, I will enter you into a drawing for the month of March 2021. Thank you. Happy crafting.